Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about free radical movement, oxidative stress and aging. Hi everyone. My name is Kritika and I am an holistic wellness educator. By profession, I am an engineer, but throughout my journey, I have learned few things and that gives me a confidence to talk about this topic. So how did I came to know about this? This started many years back, 2012. The first book which I read in my life was The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. And while I read this book, I was caught by the thought that how can a person reverse aging? What are the secrets in the Himalayas that help a man to reverse its age? And I was holding this question for many years, and I was looking for many therapies. I learned a lot of techniques after that, and it was not until 2018 that I understood the little idea about how can one reverse aging. 2018 December, me and my husband went to a nature cure camp in Pollachi. There we got introduced to some diet which compromises a lot of vegetable and fruits, and the diet system in that camp was like, in the morning first we had green juice, after that we had breakfast, in afternoon in breakfast we had fruits, in afternoon we used to have salad, and in dinner it was a sattvic meal cooked without any oil, but there was a lot of fats, there was a lot of dressing used of coconut, and the grain was minimal. Like in that cooked meal, if you consider, it was 70 to 80% of vegetables, and the rest was grains and the fat part. And then after I came back from the camp, I realized I got something which I was looking for long time. At that time, I didn't realize that what did I get. Today in this video, I want to share you about what I got at that time. So what is free radical? We have heard this term a lot in our chemistry textbook. Free radicals are the unstable molecule which has an unpaired electron. Now how this free radical is generated in our body? It is generated in our body as a byproduct during the metabolism process, or when we are exposed to harmful situations or environment, be it pollution or chemicals. Now what happens? In our body, there are antioxidants which counter the effect of free radical. They stop the free radical movement. How they do is, they donate one extra electron to the free radical, and the beauty of this antioxidant is that they do without themselves becoming a free radical. So how do we get antioxidants? Fruits and vegetables are rich in antioxidant, but the problem is today we are consuming very less of fruits and vegetables and consuming a lot of processed and packaged item, which actually on a counter side increases our oxidative stress. So now the secret is to reverse age, to reverse any disease, to get a rejuvenated body, skin, and a healthier body. Remove all the processed, packed, crap item from your diet and increase the vegetables and fruit consumption in your daily diet. This will prevent free radical damage in your body, thus reducing the oxidative stress, and you will get a glowing body. Don't trust me. Experience it, try it, read more. Have a healthier, happier body. Bye.